Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iTunes support error when buying apps on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are having an issue that your iPhone iTunes support error when buying any apps, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a refresh into your network settings and then wait for your phone to disconnect to internet. Then go for your settings, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. Then go for general, go for software update. You have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any software update available, so you must have to update your software. And once you have updated your software, you just have to go back, and here now if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for sport.apple.com. Here's the website. You must have to go for official Apple Sport or sport.apple.com. And here you have to scroll down and look for the billing and subscription option. And here you have to further scroll down and look for the option of Get Sport. Simply tap on the Start Now option. Now you have to wait for until the next screen, and here you have to scroll down, tap on this More option, and here you have to further scroll down, and here you have to simply write your issue which you are having in your iTunes or App Store. So once you have that, you will get the official support from apple.com. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue, let your iTunes support error when buying any app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.